Enhancing ham flavor. Boiling versus baking.
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that many holiday meal prep masters and ham lovers alike often ponder. Should I add any seasoning or spices when boiling the ham before baking? In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process, giving you tips and advice to make your ham as flavorful as possible.
Why boil ham before baking?
The first thing you might be asking is, why would I even need to boil the ham before baking it? Well, there's a simple reason for that. Boiling a ham before baking it helps to remove excess salt and can make the ham more tender. It's a method often used with cured or smoked hams, which can be quite salty.
To season or not to season?
Now onto the main question. Should we season the ham while boiling it? The short answer is yes, absolutely. By adding seasonings to your boiling water, you're creating a flavorful broth that will help to infuse the ham with aromatic flavors.
What seasonings should I use?
There's no hard and fast rule about what seasonings you should use, but some popular choices include 1. Whole cloves. Classic choice for ham, adds a warm, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor. 2. Bay leaves, add a subtle balsamic and slightly floral flavor. 3. Peppercorns, for that hint of heat and spice. 4. Onions and garlic, for a base of savory flavor. 5. Sugar. A little can help balance flavors, especially if the ham is particularly salty. 6. Cider or fruit juice, adds a little acidity and sweetness which can enhance the overall flavor profile. Remember, you're not limited to these options. Feel free to explore and get creative with your seasoning choices.
How to boil and season the ham.
To boil and season your ham, follow these steps. 1. Place your ham in a large pot. 2. Cover the ham completely with water. 3. Add your chosen seasonings. 4. Bring the water to a boil. 5. Reduce the heat and let it simmer. Generally, you'll want to simmer for about 20 minutes per pound of ham. Don't forget to save the broth. You can use it for soups, stews, or even as a base for your ham glaze. There you have it. Now you know why it's beneficial to boil your ham before baking it and how to season it for maximum flavor. Just remember, the spices and seasonings you add to your boiling water will subtly infuse your ham, adding layers of flavor and complexity that baking alone might not achieve. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to hear about your flavorful ham creations. Happy cooking!